Hello everyone, and welcome back to another Ston Bros weekly tutorial. In this video, I want to show you an amazing feature that lets you physically walk around any major landmark in the world. So let's jump right into it. With any Apple device running iOS 11 or later, open the Maps app and look for this icon that has a 3D symbol inside of it. I'm just going to go to New York for example. Then click Flyover. Not only can you move the view with your fingers, you can look 360 degrees around the whole city. Still got to load over there, hold on. Not only can you do that, you can also physically walk around the space. And if the buildings are big enough, you can also physically get closer to the ground to get, closer to the streets in Maps. This awesome feature works with many places, such as San Francisco, Rome, and London. Alright, that's it for this video. Go and try it out yourself. Also, share this video to others, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, where we post awesome videos like this every week. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.